Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the production of RBC, that is the pluripotential hematopoietic stem cell (PHSC). Committed, the stem cell that produce erythrocyte is called the colony-forming unit erythrocyte, that is the CFUE. Factors are the growth inducers such as the interleukin 3 differentiation inducers. Stages of the erythropoiesis (PHSC) commits the stem cell CFUE, proerythroblast, basophil erythroblast, and the polychromatophil erythroblast, orthochromatophil erythroblast, and there is converted into the reticulocytes, erythrocytes. There are the maturation times of the erythroblast. Actively synthesize HB. They are categorized on the basis of the total size and the amount of the HB present and the size of the nucleus. Day 1 is the proerythroblast is converted into the erythroblast. Day 2 is the basophilic erythroblast. Day 3 polychromatophils erythroblast, and day 4 is converted into the normoblast. Ejection of the nucleus, and day 5 to 7 then it is converted into the reticulocytes and enter into the circulation and mature red blood cells. So there is the cycle for the formation of RBC, and this is also known as the erythrocytes. Erythropoiesis is a process in which formation of RBC development that is characterized by a decrease in the cell size, a disappearance of nucleus, and appearance of the hemoglobin. Proerythroblast, there are the no hemoglobin, nucleus is 12 to 12 micrometer only and contain a nucleoli. Next phase is the basophil erythroblast, early normoblast, nucleoli disappear and show the mitosis, cytoplasm deep blue, increase in RNA, hemoglobin starts appearing little HP. Next stage is the polychromatophil erythroblast. There are the late normoblast, nucleus smaller, coarse chromatin, hemoglobin increases. Next is the orthochromatic erythroblast. Normoblast contain a small dense nucleus. There are nuclear releases and the nuclear exclusions. Next stage is the reticulocytes. Reticulum remanate of the ER and GA contain the RNA in the cytoplasm to synthesize HB, synthesize other protein. Few mitochondria, young RBCs 80% HB they are present, and also less than 1% of the RBC. Next is the transfer of RBC to circulation. RBC pass from the bone marrow into the blood capillaries by diapediesis, squeezing through the pores of the capillary membrane. So there are the bone marrow and there are mature red blood cells